proud to be doing this for you and for our community.
We are proud to stand with them, and we celebrate this critical investment into our community. Thank you for doing it right, FPUA.
We are 100% committed to being a hometown utility, and I am proud to be here and be part of this amazing team of trailblazers.
By moving the island facility, the citizens of Fort Pierce and the state of Florida are removing any potential environmental damage to the Indian River Lagoon. We will be protecting our waterways for future generations.
You have put such a commitment of leadership into this project, and I believe stands as an example for other communities who are in similar positions.
This group, public, private, people from government, past and present, common thread for everybody in here is they want to see Fort Pierce take a step forward every single day.
On behalf of the Board of County Commissioners, the National Estuary Program, and the Tourist Development Council, congratulations. Let's get her done.
So many people in the crowd today have poured hours and hours over the last few decades, and some have poured their entire career into relocating this operation far away from our precious waterways. To our amazing FPUA team, the board members, our leadership team, and the staff, to our dedicated community partners, and to the halls of Tallahassee and DC, thank you, thank you, thank you guys. Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
We had the groundbreaking for a state-of-the-art wastewater plant that's going to allow us to move the wastewater plant off of the Indian River Lagoon, protecting the lagoon for generations to come. This has been a project that we've been working on for well over 20 years, and we finally got it going. And everybody is smiling, everybody is happy. It's fantastic. This was the first event that we've had out here. This gets the ball rolling. The plan will be done right around the end of 24, and we'll go through our test and tune phase. And at that point, we're going to have another event out here. And at this point, we won't be looking at dirt and signs. You'll be looking at the actual facility itself. We'll have a ribbon cutting event here. Again, it's going to be bigger and better than this event. It's just going to be a great generational facility for years, for generations to come.